Hello students, let us continue the chapter 6 cubes and cube roots, exercise 7.1. Here the first question is, which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes? So we are starting the new chapter, cubes and cube roots. We finished the squares and square roots in the previous class. Now I am starting a new chapter, that is the sixth chapter, cubes and cube roots. Here the first question is, we have to find out the given number is a perfect square or not. For this, we start the problem. Problem given is a 3-digit number. So we'll try to solve this one. So this is just we have to factorize by prime factorization method. We have studied all this in the previous chapter, that is square and square root. This just we write 216 2s, that is 108 into 2s will become 216. Again we have to take 2. Therefore it is 54 into 2 is 108. Next step is 54 we have got, again 2 we will have, then 2 into 27 is 54. Next this is 27, so we'll take 3, how much? 3 9s. Next also we take 3 3s. Next we'll take 3 1s 3. So this is the factorization, prime factorization method. So we'll write next step by prime factorization. So multiply all this, that is 2 into 2 into 2, 3, then 3, then 3. So this will become, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So now which is equal to, multiply all this, we will get 216. So now next step is grouping. So what is grouping? Means grouping these numbers, grouping the factors in triplets. What is the meaning of triplets? Triplets means 3 digits or 3 numbers. Triplets. So this group these 3 to one group. Since it is a cube root, we have to just find out the given number is a perfect cube or not. So group this number, that is into 3 numbers. So how much we are getting? This is 2 cube we are getting into how much? That is 3 cube. So by we have the laws of exponents, we have to take this. What the law says, the common factor is 3, so we have to take like this, 2 into 3, the power is common to both, so 1 power we have to take. This is the law of exponent. So therefore finally what we write, therefore 216 is a, multiply this and cube this, then we get back this answer 216. Therefore finally we write, that is 216 is a perfect cube. So this is the first problem. We move on to the next one. In the first question only, we'll move on to the second one. So second one is also a 3-digit number. So we'll start the problem. Again by prime factorization method we should start this one. So first again we'll take here in this problem, that is 2 will take, 2 into 64 is 128. Again we'll take 2 into 32 is 64. Again 2 will take, 2 into 16 is 32. Again we take 2 2 into 8 is 16. Again we'll take 2. Next is 4 is there. 2 into 2 is 4. Again, 4 into 2 is 8. Again we'll take 2 into 2, 4. Finally we'll take 2 ones are 2. So this is the prime factorization method. Next step, by prime factorization. So take all this number, multiply all this. So many numbers we get, that is 2 into 2 into 2, again into 2 into, that is here 4, again 3, 2 are there, 1, 2, 3. So what happens? Grouping. Now this will be multiplied, this will be 128. So therefore grouping, next step is grouping the factors into factors in triplets. So I thought what is triplets in the previous example, previous problem. Now you take group this number to 3 3. So we have two pairs of 3 numbers and one is left out. So can we write, that is 2 cube into 2 cube into 2. 2 is left out, write separately. So next step is, in the above factorization, in the one line we have to write above factorization. 2 remains. 2 remains after grouping. After grouping the 2's in triplets. So what we have to do, therefore finally we have to write 128 is not a, so since there are two pair of cubes, so 2 is left out, so this is not a perfect square. 128 is not a cube. So this is the solution for second one. We move on to the third problem. Given is 1000. So we'll start solving this. Take the problem by prime factorization method. 1000 is given, so we'll take 2 500s are 1000, then 2 250s are 500, then again 2 we take 2, then it is 125, and then we'll take 5 here, 5 into 25, then again we have to take 5 into 5. Okay, next is 5 ones. So this completes the prime factorization method. So multiply all this, write down by prime. All these steps you have to write, the sentences we have written. So write down all these steps by prime factorization. So multiply all this, how much we get? 2 into 2 into 2 into, there are 3 2's and 3 5's. So this will be equal to 1000. So next step, grouping the factors in triplets is equal to how much? That is this 3 one group, this 3 one group. 2 cube into 5 cube. So now what happens by next step, by the laws of exponents. The previous or the first problem we use this laws of exponents. So we have to take common the power, which is, or we can write this one directly as 10 cube. So by the laws of exponents, so this one we have to take, or you can write like this, 2 into 5 into cube, 2 into 5 the whole cube is equal to, or 10 cube you can write. Therefore, which is a, so since they are perfectly, they are grouped into 3, so this is a perfect square. Cube, sorry, perfect cube is a, so perfect cube. Therefore, finally what we write, that is 1000 is a perfect cube. This completes the third one. We move on to the fourth problem. So fourth problem given is a 3-digit number, 100 is given. Directly you can tell that this one is not a perfect cube. So it is a perfect square, but it is not a perfect cube. So take 100, prime factorize this number. Therefore, take 2, then we have 2 into 50 is 100, again 2, then 2 into 25 is 50, again here we take 5 ones are, 5 fives are, next we will take 5, then 1. So this is the prime factorization method. Multiply all this. So next step is write down by prime factorization. So what is this? That is 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So we can't group. There are only two numbers of 2. Each group, there are two numbers, only two groups are there, which is equal to 100. So next what we say, in the above factorization, that is 2 into 2 and 5 into 5 or group of just write group of two numbers. Therefore, or you can write group of squares or two numbers. Therefore, 100 is, or directly you write, this is not necessary, group of two numbers is, just write is 2 into 2 and we will write, and is not triplets, is not triplets. Therefore 100 is not a, so 100 is not a perfect cube. So this is the solution. So we can't form the triplets in this case. See here, there are 4 numbers here, 2 each group have 2, 2, therefore which is equal to 100. In order to get triplets, we have to have 3 numbers here, 1 more 2 and 1 more 5, then it will become triplets. So we move on to the next one, that is the 5th problem. So here the given problem is, that is, this is a 5-digit number. So factorization, we start for the number. So 4, 6, 6, 5, 6. So again we start with 2. Therefore this one 2 3s are 2 3 directly you can, I will show you how to 2 2s are 2, 2 3s are, again 2 3s are, then 2 2s are, this is 2 2s are 4, one remainder goes here, then 2 8s are 60 directly. Since it is a long digit or 5-digit number, we can directly write, it is no need for multiplying or using calculator. So again I will continue the same. 2 will take, that is 2 1s are, again this is also 2 1s are, 1 goes this side, then this will be 2 6 are 12, one remainder goes here, again 2 6 are 12, then 2 4s are 8, again we'll take 2. So we'll take this 2 number, since it is 11 is there, 2 digit will take, 2 5s are 10, one remainder, 2 8s are 16, again 2 8s are 16, one is there, so then 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So next is, again we can solve this. 2 2s are 4, write 4 here, sorry 2 here, 2 2s are 4, one remainder, that is 2 9s are 18, then 2 1s are 2, then 1 here, then 2 6 are 12. This is how easily just we can find out this large number. So next is, that is 29, no, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 here, then 2 5s are 10, 1 moves here, then 2 8s are 16. So again we can take 2, again 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 1 here, 2 9s are 18. So again 2 we can take, no this is not possible, we'll take 3 here. So 3, how much, 3 2s are 6, 1 here, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. So see how direct easily we can find out these multiples without using calculator. Again here 2 8s are 24, sorry 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. So here again we'll take 3, 3 2s are 6, then 2 here, 2 27 21 it will become, 3 7s are 21, again 3 will take, 27 how much, 3 9s are 27. Then little practice is required, then you can it will be very easy to solve the problem. 3 3s are 9, finally 3 1s are. So this is a long procedure, see here. So but if you practice it, you will get very easily. Then next step we move on. We finished by, I'll write here, by prime factorization, by prime factorization. So write down how many 2 are there. So we get first 6 2, again 6 3 we have. So 3 into 3, count just, there are, that is 6 2s and 6 3s. So now grouping the factors, in triplets. So what we have to do, in triplets we have to group. So here one group, 2 3 and 4. So now how we write, that is 2 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube into 3 cube, which is equal to, multiply all this, that is by the previously what we solved, that is laws of exponents. By applying that rule we can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 the whole cube, which is equal to, that is 36 cube. So laws of, here we can write laws of, applying laws of exponent rule. So now therefore 36 cube, which is, write down here, which is perfect square, since perfect cube, since we got all the triplets in the groups, it is a perfect cube. It is a perfect cube. which is finally we can write as therefore 46656 is a perfect cube. So students, this completes the first question. If you have any doubts, comment me, subscribe my channel, share, like all the videos. Thank you.